Hi everyone, this is NVT Solar Technology Sharing. This video will continue the topic of previous video about the main causes of low power generation of solar system. Number 5. DC solar cable power loss in the solar system. The reason selection of DC solar cables is important to improve the utilization of solar power generation. During the solar system design and installation, we should use a reasonable circuit distribution, and the DC solar cable length from the PV array to the inverter should be as short and straight as possible to minimize the power loss on the cables. Number 6. Solar inverter MPPT working mode setting error. The MPPT working mode of the inverter is different for different DC side string axis modes, and the wrong MPPT working mode will seriously affect the tracking efficiency and even lead to the inverter lamp not working properly. As you can see from the picture, each PV string is independently connected to the solar inverter. Then, MPPT should be set to independent mode. And this picture shows each PV string is first connected in parallel and then merged, then grouped into the solar inverter, so the MPPT should set to parallel mode. Number 7. Unreasonable PV string configuration. For solar inverters with 2 MPP trackers, each MPP tracker theoretically accesses 60% of the rated power, and the power will be limited when the power generated on one side exceeds 60% when the models are overmatched or with equal configuration. So we recommend that the PV strings should not be wired to concentrate on one of the MPP trackers, and that the power should be distributed equally to both MPP trackers as much as possible. For the solar inverter with larger power, each MPP tracker has multiple DC interfaces. The wiring of PV string should be well marked and properly wired to avoid mixing different numbers of strings on the same MPP trackers, resulting PV panel mismatch and power loss. Number 8. PV string poor contact or wrong positive and negative connection. In this photo, due to the quality problem of the pin of the male side of the DC connector, the pin was pushed down after connecting with the female side, leading to poor contact of the PV string. In the PV string positive and the negative connection is reversed, the voltage is 0. MPP tracker is not working and causes a reduction in power generation, and it's also easy to cause arc fault. We can usually distinguish the positive and the negative poles during the installation by the color of the wires of the strings or by the multimeter. Okay, these are the 8 main reasons for low power generation in solar system. What do you think are the other reasons? Tell us in the comments. See you next time.